students, today we are going to continue our chapter, that is constitutional design, and in this video we will study about the Indian Constitution. Our first topic is why we need a constitution. As we know that without constitution, no country rule in a proper manner. Constitution is very important for ruling a country properly. Okay, in this video we will study about the importance of the constitution and how the Indian Constitution formed. Okay beta, first of all I want to tell you about the need of constitution. The constitution, we already studied about the constitution, that what is the constitution. In the constitution many rules and regulations are in the written form. Okay, mostly in the many countries written constitution are there. Okay, like you can take the example of India, USA. Okay, and in Britain unwritten constitution is there. Okay beta, and in this question you have to write down the necessity of the constitution. First one is the according to rules and regulations which are in the constitution. According to these rules the government can do their work. It means the constitution put the limitation, the constitution put the limitation on the government. There are many rules and regulations in the constitution, and if any government wants to implement any rule and regulation on the country, then the rule and regulation should be in the constitution. Clear to everyone? It means the government of the country having the power to do the work according to their choice, and the government of the country having the power to do the work for the welfare of the public. But the government of the country will do only these types of work which are written in your constitution. Clear to everyone? First one is the constitution put limitations on the government. Clear to everyone? First necessary. Second one beta, second is establish the coordination among people and the country, and you can say the government. In the constitution many rules and regulations are there. According to these rules and regulations the government can maintain the peace in the society. Okay, and according to these rules and regulations there establishment of coordination between the people and the government of the country. Okay beta. Third one is the constitution provide us rights. As you know, in India the Indian government give 6 fundamental rights to you, and all the rights in the constitution. If all the rights in not in your written in not your constitution, then the government can exploit these rights. Okay beta, but all these rights in your constitution, that's why the government, any types of the government will not the exploit of these rights. Clear to everyone? Next one is the constitution. The constitution divide the powers or what?